This project is a DIY skee ball machine. This is an experience that I always loved as a kid and I wanted to recreate for a long time. The skee ball machine is interesting because it's made almost entirely out of 3/4 inch plywood. And all the plywood was cut on a Shopbot CNC machine. There are people in different towns who have Shopbots or other machines like this, and you just bring over plywood and the files and they can cut the whole thing out for you. Once you have the pieces, you just need a drill to put everything together, a few screws in the right places, and everything holds together nice and tight. In addition to the plywood, we also use some cork to line the ramp so it's nice and quiet, has like a smoother roll to it, and there's just a little bit of metal strip in the front so in case someone really misses, they won't destroy the machine. Once you have everything built, then the next step is to add some electronics. We have an Arduino microcontroller, we have some optical sensors, and all of it is really easy to wire. As soon as the ball goes through the hole, the optical sensor picks it up, sends that information to the Arduino, and the Arduino passes that information on to a computer behind the skee ball machine that's running a program. The cool thing is that now that we're writing our own program for the machine, we don't actually have to stick with the basic rules of skee ball. In fact, the top score currently in this program is 7,777, which is way above the original skee ball max of 900.